Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to do a really quick unboxing video. I just got back home from checking out Hudson Yards. For those of you who don't know, there's a massive shopping area that opened up in Hudson Yards, so that's like 10th Ave and 30th Street on the west side of Manhattan. And it's massive. There's a Neiman Marcus in there. There's like a Louis Vuitton, a Cartier, Van Cleef and Arpels, like all of the stores that you can think of are housed in that one spot. So it was really fun to go check out all of the stores. And as you can see, I walked out with something that I just couldn't pass up. So I mainly went into Neiman Marcus to see if they had a Chanel boutique, and they did. The shop had opened up a couple days ago, so I went when it was pretty well stocked for their opening. I was looking at the items that came in for spring summer, and this just caught my eye. I kept looking through the rest of the store to see if there was anything else, but ultimately it's like that the first one that you see that kind of really catches your eye tends to be the one that I walk out with. But just to make sure, I did a whole pretty thorough walkthrough of the store. I met a sales associate who was really helpful and very patient. He spent a lot of time showing me some of the items that were in the closets as well. So I had an overall really great experience down there. So this is the box that it came in. Though I have to say the box is a little bit deceiving because the item is not this large, but they couldn't find a different box for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo it's the white tissue paper and the Chanel sticker in there. This is what it looks like on the inside. And if I just grab it out of the box, close this box. Here we are. This is the dust bag. This is the item inside. I already know it's upside down. And voila. This is essentially the clutch that I picked up today. So it goes with the spring summer theme where you have the shell and then you have the knell. Alright, sorry about that. But yeah, this is from the spring summer collection. I was saying I saw the sandals that have the white Chanel split across the two shoes that I was very tempted to get. They have a lucite heel, which is amazing. But this is in black. It has some tweed and there's a PVC cover. This is black leather that's stitched on the outside. You can see there's a oversized pull tab on the zipper, and there's also this gold CC charm almost hanging. You can't take it off though. And you can just pull this open like this, and then you can see the inside. It's a black nylon, essentially, lining on the inside. It says made in Italy in the back with a zipper pocket as well, which is also handy for compartmentalizing your items. And I feel like this is going to do really well. Like, it won't get dirty that easily, and if something did happen, you could wipe it down really easily. And then the other detail that I appreciated on this was that the end of the zipper here is actually secured into the side of the pouch. So it's not like a freestanding end of the zipper that's just like hanging everywhere. It's secured, and this zipper motion is smooth. Like there's no issue opening and closing. It's just really easy to go by. I don't know, I just really liked it. I'm not a huge clutch person. I prefer bags to have a top handle and a long strap because I like the versatility of it. But this wristlet kind of holding or yeah, basically this wristlet tab over here is large enough to put your hand through, and you can hold the bag easily. It also looks really great under your arm, just like this. And the key thing that I really liked was that this is like has about an inch and a half width here. This is not an envelope style where, you know, it's just two pieces of leather that are sewn straight at the edge. This actually has a good amount of space here so that I can really fill this with items that might not just be flat. So I can use this and fill it with a lot of items that I need. So I'll do a little close-up so you can really see what it looks like. And this is the back. And I'll share the details of the tag. Like that. And it's black, which I appreciated because initially I thought it might be navy. And I checked and they mentioned this was the only color that it came in. And I just love the tweed in the back too. It's not like a heavy wintry tweed. It's like a summery, cottony tweed. And it also, the tweed also has actual diamond stitching going through it. So it's diamond quilted as well. And I'll show the inside, more detail. So you can see the zipper tab back here. And the inside is just one main compartment. For those of you who might be interested, I asked if I could keep the original tag so you can see the style number there. The other good thing about this size and like how hardy it is I feel like it would be good to put into larger bags when you're traveling. So you could put some smaller items in here and then stick that into a larger bag or a larger tote, and then you can still have this as your evening bag if you wanted to, or your clutch that you wanted to just carry and go. So it's a nice item to have. Also, technically looking at the original tag, it does say it's an O case, and so as you can imagine, the price point of this was really great, considering you can use it as a bag and you can use it as an O case. I think this is a really great option. If you can get your hands on it, I would highly recommend you pick it up. So that's everything. That's what I picked up from the Neiman Marcus Chanel boutique at Hudson Yards in New York City. I wasn't expecting to really pick anything up, but as it always is with Chanel, when you find something and you can afford it, then you should go for it because it's likely to not be there the next time you stop by. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your support and feedback. If you would like to see a review of this item, please let me know and I make sure to do that video sooner rather than later. I post new videos every Sunday, so if you'd like to be one of the first to know, feel free to subscribe. So until next time, bye!